Today's free preset is named Drone, and let's take a look. Here we have before, and there's after. Before, after, a lot of nice rich color. And if you're looking for more presets and profiles like this, check out the Creative Flow. Here we have the Creative Flow, and let's try something from the Moody collection and see what we can come up with. So I like Moody right off the top here. I really like this Cafe Boost. Look at the water change there, before, after, really nice, giving that a click. And you'll notice you get a profile with that, so you can intensify the look. And we can swap it out with something else. This will come through at 100%. Add the Cafe Warm profile. So there you go. It really warms up that sand. Just gonna add it in right there. Let's check out before and after. Here we have before, and there's after. Before and after. Alright, if you want to download the free Lightroom Preset drone, go to presetpro.com, look into the free tab and check out new presets. Now, if you're looking for a complete Lightroom workflow, the Creative Flow includes over 1,200 Lightroom presets and 1,200 Lightroom profiles. You can mix and match presets and profiles to come up with your own unique look.